social media addiction. That's a new one. This is a modern day addiction. Now, if you are one of those that are comparing yourself to others who you believe are more successful or have their act together or just more of everything that you're not, why don't you cancel that belief and breathe into the knowing that you are good enough because Creator created you unique. Not only unique, but with the gifts that you will use in this lifetime to become successful. So again, everything that you will ever need is within you. It's like seek the kingdom and all things shall be granted unto thee. That is so true. So, get your presence off social media. Get yourself off aimlessly scrolling and replace that with a focused intention that you are good enough, that you are deserving enough, because you are.